Now, what are the limitations? As I told you, it is not curative, it is only palliative. It is not going to treat it. It is only palliative. Moreover, it needs to be changed every 3 months. After 3 months, every 3 months it has to be changed. It can cause vaginitis. If it is forgotten, it can cause erosion of the wall. It can cause fistulas. We have seen such cases in the previous years when pessaries were used and patients used to forget it. We have seen fistulas happening. These things don't happen anymore. Then it may lead to dyspareunia because it is a space occupying object, so the patient may not be happy. It might lead to dyspareunia. What else? It may not be retained, it may come out, so non-retention might be there. That is because the vaginal muscles are already very patulous, the vagina is patulous, the muscles are weak, so it may not be retained properly. Moreover, it is not curative for prolapse also, it is not curative for stress incontinence also. Okay, so it is not curative at all. Moreover, forgotten pessary can lead to vaginitis, erosion and fistulas, and even cancers sometimes. Okay, so that is very dangerous, so you have to be very careful. Last but not the least, what are the contraindications to pessary? The contraindications are there should not be any acute genital infection. In the infection, if you are putting a foreign body, it is leading to more infection, and there should not be any adherent retroversion of the uterus, because if it is retroverted at the back, retroposition, and you're putting a pessary, you're going to damage it because it is adherent at the back and you're putting a pessary, so the uterus will go further back and it will not correct the prolapse. Okay, so these are the contraindications.